Wow! Oy, spread ka daw.
Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Miss Sara D. Catlo. You can call me Sara, 18 years of age and currently residing at Barangay Canura, Rosario, Cavite. And I am the sales representative of CDR King Company, and I am here to promote our latest product, which is the Stance USB or SD mini speaker system. But before anything else, allow me to state our company's vision and mission. So,
haba nito.
CDR King's vision is to provide every Filipino the latest technology at an affordable price. And our mission is to be the #1 or top media and technology provider here in the Philippines, wherein we provide latest technologies at an affordable price without an extra cost. And also, to be able to deliver up-to-date technologies, latest technology with regards to computer-related products and computer accessories. So since we are entering the new era of modernization, we, the CDR King Company, comes up with an idea wherein us, music lovers, will enjoy listening to music much more than before. So this is through our product, the Stance USB or SD mini speaker system. Our product has its unique features. It has an LCD display wherein we can see the radio tuning and media content. It also supports both USB flash drive It both supports USB flash drive and micro SD or yung memory card. And the good thing about our product is that it is easy to use, it is easy to carry, it is remote controlled. Here is the remote, a cute remote. And then, most especially, it is very affordable. For only 568 pesos, which is available in all CDR King branches near your home. Yeah. And then, it has its specifications.
Dami.
Audio file format, which is MP3. It has a power supply, which is AC
5
220
minutes.
volts. And the good thing, again, the other side or the other good thing is that you can plug it while using it. It has an built-in rechargeable battery inside, and also it has an alternative power input, which is yung wait lang classmate, iwan ko pala. Yung battery, Chi.
Ito po.
Ito. This is the built-in rechargeable battery inside this Stance USB/SD mini speaker system. You can also use alternative power inputs, which is this kind of battery. 4 pieces of this, which is ang size nito is 4D size. And then
4A, 3A nga hindi.
its speaker unit is 3x2. You can see here. It has radio. And its dimension is 210mm by 180mm tapos 110mm. And its weight is 120 grams. And its main material is plastic. That's why it is easy to carry. And then, for technical support, you can call us on our telephone numbers, which is local 02362-093. Our mobile number is 0923-659-8857. You can also email us on support@cdrking.com. And our working hours is every Mondays and Sundays. Every 9 o'clock a.m. to 12:30 p.m. every Mondays, and 1:30 p.m. up to 6 o'clock p.m. every Sunday. And you can also check our websites on www.facebook.com www.cdrking.com, and you can check our channels through www.youtube.com/user/cdrkingtechnical2011, and you can tweet us on www.twitter.com/www.cdrking.com, and you can message us on cdrking_online-tech01@yahoo.com. So again, ladies and gentlemen, this is our product, the STANS USB or SD mini speaker system.